This is a Electroweld brand 3 kVA high precision table mounted spot welding machine. On this machine you can weld from 16 gauge to 40 gauge MS, SS components as well as thin wire filters as well as wires up to 2.5 mm diameter. Now we will show you the parts of the machine. In this machine inside we have a 3 kVA resistance spot welding transformer. This over here is an electronic controller. It has got a mains on indicator, weld on indicator. This here is a current adjustment knob. This over here is a cycle second switch. Normally you should keep the switch on cycle side only. This over here is the timer on off switch. This over here is the weld time adjustment knob. Now these two are the chromium, zirconium, copper electrodes. These are inserted in these two copper holders, and these copper holders are inserted in this gunmetal housings. This one is a fixed one, this is a movable. This over here is the current initiating switch, and on this side we have three secondary tappings. This here is a common. Here you get a low current for the thinner sheets. This here is a medium current tap. On this you can weld medium sheets, say from 20 gauge to 30 gauge. Tap. On this you can weld from 16 gauge to 20 gauge sheets. This over here is the foot pedal for welding the jobs. Now we will show you the working of the machine. Supposing you want to weld say 30 gauge plus 30 gauge SS components. For this, first of all you adjust this current. This is called the percentage energy, to keep it at 40%, and this weld timing keep at say about 8 to 10 cycles. Pressure over here is pre-adjusted at the factory. Now we'll show you the welding. Just see. You put the two components between the two electrodes, then press this pedal fully. You will see the welding will take place and the current will get cut off automatically. Like this. By depressing this foot switch, you will see the welding taking place and the current will get cut off automatically. See, this is how it is welded. Now we will show you the welding of 20 gauge sheets to be welded. For this you have to increase the weld timing. Say keep it about 25 to 30 cycles. Then put the two pieces to be welded between the two electrodes and press the pedal. You will see the welding taking place and current will get cut off automatically. See, this is how it is welded. Similarly, for welding 16 gauge sheets, you can take this tap over here and weld 16 gauge sheets on this. We have changed the tap to the highest position over here. We can show you the welding of 16 gauge MS plus MS components by increasing this weld timing to say 30 cycles and putting the two pieces to be welded between the two electrodes like this, and then depressing this pedal you will see the welding will take place and the current will get cut off automatically. Just see. See, this is how it is welded. Thank you. Now we will show the welding of the wire to wire. This is about 2.5 mm plus 2.5 mm. Wires can be welded by reversing this electrodes so that the flat portions they are fitted like this. First you adjust the current over here, so keep it about 60%. Then the weld timing, they keep about 10 to 15 cycles, and insert these two wires to be welded between the two electrodes. Then depress this pedal, you will see the welding will take place and the current will be cut off automatically. See, this is how it is welded. We will show you once again. Just see, the welding will take place like this. Again we will show you the welding. See, this is how you can keep on spot welding the wire baskets of any other wire products on this machine. Say after using this machine for some time, the carbon accumulates over here and in this holders. So you remove these electrodes, apply MD paper over here and over here, so that they are cleaned of any rust, any oxidation. Then again you can insert the electrodes and tighten these screws so that you can get a full current while welding.